Good morning, Trip. You look perplexed. Maybe you can help us. Help us? Who's that? Oh, good grief! Hello?
Jell-O? No, thank you. I don't eat Jell-O anymore. But thank you for offering.
Grandpa, just tell him what the issue is. I'm sure he can help you.
Oh, my phone won't charge anymore. I think it went on the disabled list.
Sure, let me see it. I told him the charger port's probably just dirty. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Give me a minute. I'll get you cleaned up.
Okay, I'll go look at the TVs or something. Thank you, young man.
Yeah. That ought to do it. All set?
Will it live another day?
She'll live another day.
That's great. I see you sell TVs and wall mounts and stuff. Do you install them and deliver them?
Absolutely. We can deliver and install the TVs, hang them on wall mounts, hook them up, set them up, whatever you need us to do.
You do? Oh, that's fantastic. I'm gonna tell all the guys at the bingo hall. I think it went on the disabled list.